Ghost, the plates are a match.
Copy. Any sign of Rojas' right-hand man?
Negative. It stopped twice already, no sign of it. Wait, it stopped again. Stand by. Got a positive ID. Whoever these guys are, they're not happy to see him.
Ghost, we have a situation here. Get down! Get down! Getting away! Host, let's go! Let's go! Ghost, a driver's dead. We're on foot. Meet us at the Hotel Rio and cut him off if you can.
Roger, I'm on my way.
We're running to the alley. Non-lethal takedowns only. We need him alive. Roach, take the shot. Go for his leg.
He's down. Roach, this is gonna take some time. Go with Meat and Royce and check out the favela for any signs of Rojas. That's where this guy is headed.
Let's go. Remember, there are civilians in the favela. Watch your fire out there. Meat, get these civvies out of here. Roger that.
Watch the rooftop! Go! Right on the roof of the two-story building! I got a target! Contact, I'm on the clock! Negative wire! I got a runner on the roof of the two-story building! Target acquired! Got eyes on target! I'm moving! Roger! Abate a cobertura! Got it, Mitchell! Get a ladder on the roof of the two-story building! Whoa! Contact! Target! 4 o'clock! Contact! 10 o'clock! Give me a sit rep. Over. Lots of militia, but no sign of Rojas over here. Over!
Copy that. Keep stealthing. Let me know if you see him. Out.
Brooks, move up! Let's go!
Meet us down! On the feet! Meet us down!
Target it! You're 10 o'clock! Okay! Por que tu não corta tua própria garganta e povo da como? Estamos perdendo muitos homens aqui! Tenta trazer eles pra vida! Charles, for mobile! He's on! Goodbye! Contact at 9 o'clock! Mete bala! Retirando o oeste! Corre! Vai, vai! Mata ele! Vou matar eles com uma granada! Inimigos adiante! Arrega! Tango in the open! Go! Targeting! Move on!
Brooks, I'm hit!
De onde ele tá atirando? Me dá cobertura! Ok! Não permita que nenhum sobrevivente escape! Ele tá inimigos bem na frente! Fogo neles! Ok, já vi! Tu vai morrer aonde, meu camarada? Socorro! Socorro! Isso mata você! Frente, vou tirar uma granada! Todos eles estão atirando! Cuidado, estão atirando uma granada! Pistolinha pra dentro com ela em pedacinhos! Ele foi atingido! Inimigo da frente, da ré! Eu moro aqui dentro do Francisco, acho que é mais rápido que eu aqui! Ele foi atingido! Pega ele de surpresa! Ele tomou um tiro! He's being shot!
Roach, we've got Rojas's location. He's headed west along the upper levels of the favela. We'll keep him from doubling back on our side. Keep going and cut him off up top. There's no time for backup. You're gonna have to do this on your own. Good luck.
Tá morto! He's dead! Ele tá tentando passar por trás
upper levels of the favela. We'll keep him from doubling back on our side. Keep going and cut him off up top. There's no time for backup. You're gonna have to do this on your own. Good luck. Positions and check the corners. I've got a visual on Rojas. He's cutting through the market. Roger that. We'll head to the rooftops and try to cut him off on the right. He's gonna have no choice but to head west.
Ok, já vi! Inimigos bem na frente, fogo neles! Sim, tô vendo ele, agarre! Tomada evitar, nunca ter entrado no papel! Onde estão atirando? Estão atacando a gente da esquerda! Inimigos bem na frente, fogo! Sim, tô vendo ele! Recarregando! Tô vendo ele, não sei! Isso leva aqui ao sul da favela! Tu vai entrar, nunca tem plano! Inimigo vindo por trás, terrível! Mata ele antes que escape! Tá saindo, estamos
Roger that! We're surrounding him closer to your side of the hill. Keep an eye out for Rojas. He's still making his way across the rooftops.
com uma granada! I'm going to cut your tongue out! Vou arrancar tua língua pra dentro comer ela em pedacinhos!
I've got Rojas in my sight. I can go for a clean leg shot. We can end it here. Negative. We can't risk it. Do not engage.
Estava com os atiradores! Socorro, socorro! Tô vendo um sim, tô vendo ele! Vai vir!
Keep moving up. I'm cutting him off. He's got nowhere to go but west over the rooftops into your area. Ross, we know the area well, but we can trap him up here. Don't stop. Go, go!
Policial como tu nessa porra! Homens nunca aprendem, não é? De onde estão atirando? Resgate por ele! Sai da frente, vai tirar uma granada!
Closer to your part of the favela. Keep moving. Go, go!
Já tem muito policial como tu nessa favela! Você nunca... Ele foi atingido! Estou recarregando! Tu vai morrer hoje, meu camarada! You're going to die! Ele foi atingido! You lost! Tá perdido!
Ross, I spotted Rojas. He's making a run for it. Headed your way. No, he's not.
Front runner, this is Bravo 6. We've got the package. I repeat, we have got the package.
Coordinates to follow. Bollocks, the skies are clear. Send the chopper now.